What's up? It's your boy Jay Customer, and I'm back with another video. And the reason I'm so hyped right now because I got the silkies. That's right. If y'all think what y'all thinking, then y'all right. I'm doing a durag, a silky durag video review. RedbyKiss. I have 5 of these. I got the royal blue. I got the red, silky red. I got the gray. I got the navy blue. And I got the pink. I've been waiting on this one. The pink and the red one. Yeah. So I'm gonna do a review on these durags and yeah. So what you're gonna see, this durag has been upgraded. So the upgraded long tails, because originally the tails are short. Originally, this the OG durag, it's the brown one. The tails are short. So the tails, they're short. But on these, on the new ones, the upgraded ones, they're supposed to be longer than these. Supposed to be longer. Silky satin durag, one size fit all. It's wrinkle free. It's silky smooth satin. So this material is satin. It's silky but satin. Satin material. Perfect for style and comfort. And the colors are black, red, purple, royal blue, navy blue, gray, white, and pink. But let's unbox these. I'm gonna unbox the red one. Now you know it? I'm gonna unbox the gray one. Try the packaging. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. It feels smooth too. I can tell. It's a big difference. I can tell. Silky. The tails are longer now. They are extra long. So. This the OG brown durag, and this the new school. See how it's different? The tails are thicker. The gray tails are thicker and longer. See? Tails are longer. And the gray is thicker. What I can tell about the gray durag is that it feels more silkier than this one. Well, of course it is because I had this for a while. But the strings are long. Like I'm impressed. The tails are long. I'm gonna try it on.
More comfortable. It's more comfortable.
I now see the waves popping out, but yeah, you might want to add more compression to this, because as you can see, this doesn't get a lot of compression, this part. So you might want to add like a boo-boo cap or a stocking cap, or any stocking cap. But yeah, man, it feels comfortable. The strings are longer, they're long. And the flap right here, it's long. I'm impressed. But if you want to get these durags, they're probably gonna run them just like $3. These were $3, but all of these add up. All of these were $14. That's like 80-something cents. But yeah, if you want to get this, I got it from my local beauty supply store. But if you want to get it, you can visit a website or anything. And yeah, I will probably do an unboxing on the rest of these durags in another video. Blue, navy blue, pink, and red. But I hope y'all enjoyed this durag review, and I will give this durag a 9. You know what? I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10, because the other durag, the OG durag, this durag, it can't really fit my head, but this can. So I'm gonna give, so they improved. So I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will leave my social media links down below in the description. And I'm out. Peace.